Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking account on Qatar International Islamic Bank. If you want to access your financial transactions, account details and histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for online banking could be the best decision. The process to register for online banking is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search bar, search for QIIB.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto Personal Internet Banking here. By tapping on it, you'll be taken to the login page of Qatar International Islamic Bank online banking account. So in order to register, go and tap on to click here to register option. Now you will land onto the registration page for Qatar International Islamic Bank. So before you get started, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. That you need to have your credit or debit card number and a Qatari ID number in order to proceed for your registration process. So if you acquire all these documents, then go to credit card and debit card number text field, then enter the debit card or credit card number. Then enter your Qatari ID number in the text field here. Now go and tap onto this box in order to accept the terms and conditions set by the bank. Once done, go and tap on continue. By tapping on to continue, you will be taken to another page where you have to enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. Once you have verified your mobile number, then go and tap on continue. Now you will be taken to another page where you have to create your login credentials, that is, create a unique username for yourself, then create a very strong password for your account. Once done, go and tap on to login, and you will have successfully registered for online banking account on Qatar International Islamic Bank. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.